That sandwich you had for lunch? Your body's about to turn it into the energy you need to run, think, and even breathe. It all starts in your mouth, where teeth break food into smaller pieces and saliva starts breaking down starches. You swallow, and food travels down a tube called the oesophagus, squeezed along by muscle movements called peristalsis. In your stomach, strong acid and enzymes churn the food into a mushy liquid, killing germs along the way. Next stop, the small intestine, where digested nutrients like sugars and vitamins pass through its walls into your blood. Your blood carries these nutrients to every cell in your body, delivering the fuel needed to make energy. Whatever your body can't use, like fibre, moves into the large intestine and leaves as waste. Next time, we'll zoom into your cells to see exactly how they turn that fuel into usable energy through respiration.